Today, NHS Digital, which is the bit of the NHS that monitors how well the NHS is working and whether it's meeting its waiting times, has made a new announcement that it's going to start collecting information about autism and how autistic people are accessing health services. This will be part of the Mental Health Services dataset, which is the thing that collects information about mental health, learning disability, but importantly also autism diagnostic services. And so this is a great step forward for our Autism Diagnosis Crisis campaign, because it means that finally autism diagnosis waiting times can be recorded. This announcement and this new data that will be collected can help make the health services in England much better for autistic people. And crucially, it means that we'll finally be able to measure how long people are waiting for an autism diagnosis. It's also going to tell us more about how many people are going for a diagnosis and how many autistic people are trying to use mental health services too. And so with all the information that this brings, we can get a much better picture, and local health authorities up and down the country in England are going to be able to plan their services, we hope, much better in order to meet the demand that they have. This is the first time that this data has ever been collected in England, and so we think it could have a huge impact on the services in health and in getting a diagnosis that autistic people need from the NHS. And we know that diagnosis isn't the end of the story for autistic people either, and there's all kinds of support that a diagnosis should be able to unlock that autistic people and their families are currently finding it too hard to access. So we'll carry on campaigning on all of those things too, to make sure that autistic people are getting all the support that they need. And you can keep up to date with all our campaigns, keep following us on social media to find out lots more about what we're doing.